Today we're going to learn how to pop a bubble gum. And then I've softened 2 in my mouth, chewing them up. Now let's try the third one. Now, once your gum is nice and soft, it's ready to blow bubbles. Little too much sugar in it yet. Keep chewing until it's ready to blow. Okay, I've chewed it a little bit more. Let's see. Look it flat. Then put it in between your tongue and the top of your mouth, pressing it in between. Indent it a bit with your tongue to push it out, getting that bubble started. Let's try again. And always remember, practice makes perfect. So in the first shot it doesn't succeed, keep trying. Double bubble. This is the gum to chew. If you want to make nice bubbles and don't have dentures, this is the one for you. Have fun and see you in the next video.